gosh. Oh my gosh. New record. New record. Whoa! Yes! Oh yeah! Wow! 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 Oh yeah! Wow! Wow!
That's nothing. My record is 2 minutes and 34 seconds. So in your face!
Well, show me then.
What?
Yeah, show me that you're so much better than me at solving Rubik's Cubes. Yeah, you're always bragging about how good you are at everything. How much better you are at solving Rubik's Cubes than me. Yeah, well show me then.
Okay then.
Okay.
A celebration to last throughout the years.
But can you solve it behind your back?
What?
Yeah, I can solve it behind my back. I think many people would consider that much cooler.
We'll do it then.
Alright. I mean, see, I told you! In your face, bitch! See, I told you I'm the best!
Well, I can solve it with my feet.
What? Well, prove it then. Okay, show me.
Okay?
Okay? I can solve it blindfolded.
What?
Yeah. Holy shit. See? I told you. You're such a loser.
Well, I can.
You know what? Let's just have a competition. Normal Rubik's Cube competition where the fastest one wins. The fastest one is proven to be the better one. Alright?
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
met a wise man on a mountain top. And then I asked him, what's the secret, Pop? The people down below, we all want to know how to play the game of life before we got to go.